Mathematics activity 3. First of all, for this you will write whatever has been provided to you in the PDF. So write all that, and after that here we are having, so make like this 36 entries, 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on till 36. And after that what you have to do is we'll take the help of the chart which we are having here. So take 36 squares like this. On one side it should be yellow and other side should be red or pink, whatever color you can take. So it means on both sides should have different colors, but we'll be taking yellow and red because this is what we are having in the practical. We can see here odd on yellow and even on red. So we'll consider it's just like throwing a pair of dice. Pair of dice means two dice. So yellow will consider as first dice and red as second dice. So after making 36 squares like this, because yellow is our first one, so we can just go on writing these first numbers. 1 1 is, we will be writing, for example, 1 1, write 1 here and 1 at the back. So for 1 2 you'll write 1 on the front on the yellow side and 2 at the back. Similarly 1 3 like this. So for example here I have written 3 2, so 3 I have this one, it represents this one, 3 2. So 3 I have written on the yellow and 2 on the red side. So this is 1 dice and this 2 dice. So like this you will be having 36 squares, and then put all these 36 in a bag. And after keeping all these squares in a bag, what you will do is you will come back in this table. So for example, just this is you will take out one by one the squares from the bag, and after taking out the squares from the bag, you will not put it back again. So suppose I have got 3 2. So here let me check it where it is. 3 2 3 2 3 2 is somewhere here. It is 3 2 is not here. So 3 2 3 2 3 2, yes, here it is. You can see that 3 2. So after that what you have to do, just fill up all the entries. Is the sum greater than or equal to 9? We know that 3 plus 2 is 5, and it is not greater than 9, neither equal to 9, so put a cross here. Is the sum less than 5? We know that 3 plus 2 is 5, so it is neither less than 5, so put here cross. Then is it the sum equal to 7? No, then put cross here. Then odd on yellow and even on red. So here we are having, what is on the yellow side, that is 3. 3 is odd, and on even side what we are having 2. Is it even? Yes, so put tick mark here. Same way you will completing all this till how many? Till 36 entries, all this. So like this, as I told you, will be having 36 squares. And what you will do is, suppose I have got this 2 3, just you can tick mark on 2 3, and like this just go on ticking after you select each of the square, and then the probability, this table will be over. After that you just you have to find the probabilities of all the events, all these events. So what is the first one? Already the table has been provided to you. Total number of possible outcomes, they are 36. So then total number of favorable outcomes, some less than or 5. So count out, it is 6 here, but you just see what you are getting. And after that you will have to find the probability of each. Probability of sum, this is greater than or equal to 9. So what you will be getting for that one? So if you count that, the numbers which are greater than or equal to 9 are, total will be, so here we are having, if you count them, these tick marks, they will be totally 9. So this will be so here not 9, so they will be total in 10. So whatever you are getting, write down that 10 by 36, so you will be getting 5 by 8. Similarly sum is less than 5, so just go in the column where sum is less than 5. So go on this counting all these tick marks. So here there are, how many are there? 1 2 3, 3 are this side, and here sum is less than 5. You can count, this is 4, and then 5 6, so they are total in number 6. So this is what we will be writing here, 6. And you know that how to find probability, you have learned in your lower classes. Favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, 6 by 36. So the answer will be 1 by 6. Similarly, how many are there whose sum is 7? So sum 7 means, you know how we can obtain 7 here, like this. This table is there. When you get 3 4, you will be getting 7, or when you will be getting say 6 1 or 1 6, that is totally 7. So like this you'll have to see the column of this one, sum of 7. So how many are there? 1 there is there, then 2 3 4. 4 also you can see that 6 plus 1 4. So it's 4. Sorry, 6 plus 1 is 7. So total number of tick marks are 4. Then if we move back to here, next one. So in that we are having 4. This is 5 tick mark. This is 6 tick mark. So there are total 6 numbers whose total is 7, and this is what you have to write, 6 by 36. So probability of getting 7 is 1 by 6, and the probability of one even number on one side of the card and odd on the other. For example, this kind of where you can see that 3 is the first dice and this pink is the second dice. So we are having 3 2, that is odd in the first dice and even on the second dice. So if you count those such entries, so you will be finding them in total, that will be 9. So that will be sorry, no, it's not yes, it's 9. So 9 by 36, so total will be 1 by 4. So this is how you have to complete your activity number 3.